Hello everyone and welcome to Image Impressions. I am Nidhi Sethi, image consultant, soft skills trainer and a former HR professional. And today we'll be talking about great first impressions. The scientists have proven that we form our first impression of someone within the first 7 seconds of meeting them. Yes, that early. So today I'll be sharing with you 10 key aspects of what you should do or should not do to create powerful first impressions. So let's get started. I'll cover 5 of these in today's video and the remaining 5 in my next video. Aspect number 10, a weak handshake. Very important in interviews, client meetings, business meetings. Psychologist William F. Chaplin had found out in his studies that if your handshake is weak, people are immediately perceived as shy, untrustworthy, incompetent even, and these are the things that you would not want people to perceive about you, right? So ensure that your handshake is firm, not bone crushing. We don't want to crush the bones of the other person, definitely. So ensure that you have a firm handshake. Ensure that you give light 3 pumps from your elbow. Your hand should be parallel to the floor and you just give light 3 pumps. So that's a perfect handshake, right? So let's move on to the next aspect. Aspect number 9, which is placement of your hands, right? So whenever you're talking to somebody, especially if you have met them for the first time, be mindful of how you place your hands. If you place your hands in your pockets, it indicates that you are hiding something. If you are sitting across a table, from someone and you keep your hands on the table, laying them flat, it can, be perceived as that you want to control the entire environment. And it also depends on, culture to culture. For example, gently folded hands on the table while a meeting is going on is considered perfectly fine in Western culture. However, the same thing may not be considered good in, say, Japanese or Indian culture. So be mindful of how you place your hands, and also if you're meeting someone from a different culture, a different background, you are visiting a different country, which may soon happen once we get out of the situation. So do your research before you go for such meetings. Aspect number 8, avoiding eye contact. A complete no-no in any kind of interaction, whether it is business or whether it is a social interaction. Studies have proven that people with good eye contact are immediately perceived as confident, interested, intelligent and trustworthy. However, on the other hand, if you constantly avoid eye contact, you're constantly looking here and there, you may be perceived as anxious, shy or completely not interested. So make sure that you maintain a fair amount of eye contact. You don't have to stare at the person and creep the person out. Get your attention back to the person from time to time instead of constantly looking here and there. Aspect number 7, playing with your hair. Studies have shown that women especially play with their hair at least 18 times in a day. Now that's perfectly alright as long as it is in front of the mirror, but definitely not in business setting or even social settings, especially when you're meeting someone for the first time. Reason being, it may give out certain wrong messages that you would not want to otherwise convey. Constantly playing with your hair may depict that you are either uninterested or uncomfortable, even anxious or underconfident. Aspect number 6, wrong conversation topics. To avoid that awkward silence, people are ready to talk about anything and everything with other people whom they have met for the very first time, be it in a social setting or a business social setting. So to be on the comfortable side or on a safer side, try and avoid the general taboo topics like religion, politics, money or personal problems or complaints. Also, do not try and share a lot about yourself and try and make the entire conversation about yourself. Otherwise, it may seem or give out a message that you're trying to gain attention. That is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for the remaining 5 aspects in my next video. Bye bye. Take care.